Well, would you look at that? Another package from Gear Websites. Big surprise? Probably not. Let's see what's in here. As always, I made another order at gearwebsites.com. Picked up the little pen holder. I believe this has Velcro on the back. Should fit nicely on a patch panel. Be a good way to keep pens up out of the reach of my children. That way they're not always getting lost. Little fun fact there for you guys. You know, go over to Gear Websites and pick up one of these if you've got kids that don't know how to put writing utensils back where they go. Next thing I ordered was actually 2 of the Statue of Liberty Wolverine patches. I believe they are called the Liberty Wolverine, and they are freaking awesome. A lot of detail with these ones. You know, so you have the flow and whatnot of her gown, the gold AK representing the fire. Really, really cool patches. Then, of course, it was Free Patch Friday when I ordered these. This was actually a whole weekend sale this time, but I ordered on Friday because why break tradition? So, one of the free patches I got is a daily gun show patch. Go check that out every night at midnight Eastern, 9 p.m. Pacific time over at the Daily Gun Show YouTube channel. I'll leave a link down in the description for that if you so desire. Then he did some really custom Wolverine patches. This one is like a two-tone, I believe, like a green and yellow. Pretty freaking awesome if you ask me. What do we have next? Oh, this one we are calling X-Ray Wolverine, or Wolverine X-Ray perhaps. Kind of looks like a skeleton. Really like these ones. He just tossed that in there extra because this was also, in addition to all this, was a pick your free patch. Sorry, my tripod was moved by my Rugrat, so I'm doing this one-handed and whatnot. Got a Chewbacca Wolverine patch. This will go great with my Baby Yoda. Sorry, I couldn't resist doing the the Chewbacca sound. Got another Statue of Liberty patch. This one is a one-off, I guess you could say. Different border, different background, different gun color, things like that. Good stuff going on there. Next, what do we have? Oh, we have the Wolverine Carrot. Again, more great stuff. After that, we've got a blue X-Ray Wolverine. I feel like my camera's doing something funny. Maybe it's just my crappy eyes. Who knows? We got a Mr. Peanut Wolverine. And last but not least, Pink Panther Wolverine. Absolutely awesome. If you guys don't know who Pink Panther is, go check him out. He's on Instagram. I think he might have a YouTube. Don't quote me on that part, though. But I know for sure Pink Panther has an Instagram, so maybe check that out. But another great haul from Gear Websites. You know, if you guys haven't been paying attention to what he's been doing over there, and you know, these pick your free patch Fridays and things like that, you know, you're missing out. So if you are a patch addict like me, go check it out, see what he's got going on, and perhaps you too could get some great hauls like this. Keep your guns firing, your smoker smoking, and I will catch you all later. Hit those like, comment, and share, and subscribe buttons, please. So did you stick around to the end? So in that little package that said sorry it took so long was 3 patches that I had no idea were coming. Well, actually I didn't know, you know, half these in this video were coming, but nonetheless I had absolutely no idea about these. Why he put sorry it took so long on the package is beyond me, because I didn't actually ask for these, which I absolutely love them. I got 3 of them, and I've already got one that he made me a long time ago for myself. And again, that one was completely random as well. So I got the decision to probably just give each of my kids one of these, and then you know, if I decide not to do that route, perhaps I could give them away at some point. We'll see. But they'll probably end up on my kids' patch panels. But yeah, these are freaking awesome. Again, why said sorry it took so long, because he was under no obligation to make these. He didn't charge me for them. He didn't tell me they were coming or anything else. So the fact that he did it, I absolutely love and appreciate very much so. And plus, I think my logo is pretty sweet as a embroidered patch. So yeah, thank you very much, G-Webs. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you. And like I said, everybody hit those like, comment, share, and subscribe buttons, and I'll catch you later.